Have you ever imagined combining world-class education with once-in-a-lifetime experiences? At CQUniversity, our study tour and summer-winter programs offer just that. An opportunity to learn, explore and grow in Australia's most iconic locations. Our study tours offer 2 to 4 week programs that immerse you in Australian culture and education. These tours are designed for groups from the same institution or partner, providing a shared learning experience in a new environment. Whether you choose Brisbane or Cairns, you'll experience a dynamic range of workshops, lectures and hands-on learning. But what sets CQUniversity apart is our ability to blend academic learning with real-world exploration. In Brisbane, you're in the heart of Queensland's sunny capital, a city known for its vibrant cultural scene, outdoor lifestyle and easy accessibility. In our popular regional destination Cairns, you're not just in the classroom, you're out exploring. Here you'll explore world-renowned natural wonders such as snorkelling the Great Barrier Reef, walking through the ancient Daintree rainforest, and even visiting CQUniversity's aviation hub at Cairns International Airport. Every moment is designed to connect you with the environment and local culture. For those seeking an individual, intensive experience, our summer and winter programs are exclusively hosted at our Cairns campus. Over 3 to 4 transformative weeks, you'll deep dive into a specialised stream of your choosing, earning academic credit transferable to your home institution. But these programs are about more than just study. You'll engage with local industries, connect with Indigenous communities, and stay with welcoming homestay families where you'll enjoy meals together, have your own room, and experience authentic Australian life firsthand. And it doesn't stop there. With modern facilities, industry connections, and a dedicated support team, CQU provides a study experience like no other where you'll feel right at home. Whether you're here for a study tour or our summer-winter program, you won't just leave with new skills. You'll take home lifelong global connections and unforgettable experiences. Discover your potential, make memories you'll never forget, and leave with a story to tell. Your adventure starts at CQUniversity.